Hello students, today we are going to continue our topic theory of equations. I have already told you what is the relation between the roots and coefficients. Let us see one more thing. If given roots are in AB or in geometric progression, what we have to do? How do we take the roots? What is the pattern? Let us see one more thing. Suppose if one node condition, if if given three roots are in arithmetic progression, if given three roots are in arithmetic progression, okay, then we take the roots as we take the roots as a minus b, a plus b. Next, then if roots are in AP, if roots are in AP, understand? If roots are in GP, roots are in geometric progression, understand? If given three roots are in geometric progression, understand? Geometric progression, then we take the roots as a by r comma a r, understand? Roots are in GP, take the roots as a minus d, a plus b. If the roots are in GP, geometric progression, take them as a by r, a r. Understand? Let us go for the problems. Our next question is we should take as like this. Understand? Next question. Question is take like this. Our problem. Okay. Question. Solve the equation. Problem. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. 8x cube minus 36x square minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 equal to 0. Given that the roots are in arithmetic progression, given that the roots are in arithmetic progression, given that the roots are in arithmetic progression. Let us see the solution. Given equation is 8x cube minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 equal to 0. Dividing by 8 as like this. X cube minus 36 by 8x square minus 18 by x plus 81 by 8 equal to 0. Cancel it like this. 4 2s are 4 9s are. Here 2 4s are 2 9s are. What will come here? X cube minus 9 by 2 x square minus 9 by 4 x plus 81 by 8 equal to 0. Okay. Now this is in the form of x cube plus p1 x square plus p2 x plus p3 equal to 0. This implies that p1 equal to minus 9 by 2, p2 equal to minus 9 by 4, p3 equal to 81 by 8. Since roots of the given equation are in arithmetic progression, let it be a minus b comma a comma a plus b. Okay. Now take sum of the roots as like this. Now let us see how do we take sum of the roots. Now S1 equals to minus P1. This implies that S1 means sum of the roots A minus B plus A plus B equals to minus P1. P1 is minus 9 by 2 minus of minus 9 by 2. DD get cancelled. How many A's are there? 3A equal to 9 by 2. 3 1s are 3 3s are. A equal to 3 by 2. Next. Again. S3 equal to minus P3. No need of always taking in serial S1, S2, S3. What are convenient to find the roots? Use them. Use those conditions only. Either S1 or S2 or S3 or other any two. S1, S2 or S1, S3. Whatever it may be. Okay? As like this. S3 means product of the roots A minus B into A into A plus B equal to minus of P3 minus P3 equal to 81 by 8. Okay. Now here A plus d into a minus d. A square minus b square into a equal to minus 81 by 8. Now, you know a value 3 by 2 put here. 9 by 4. 3 by 4, 3 by 2 whole square. Minus d square into 3 by 2 equal to minus 81 by 8. 2 into 4, 3, 27 are. Understand? So, it will be taken as like this. 9 by 4 minus d square equal to minus 27 by 4 or 9 by 4 plus 27 by 4 equals to d square. So what will come here? D square equal to LCM for 27 plus 9. How much will come? Okay, 36 by 4. D equal to plus or minus. This can be 4 into 4 9s are. D square equal to 9. What is D value? Plus or minus 3. In plus or minus, we take any value, no problem. Suppose let b equal to 3. Okay? And we got a value, how much? 3 by 2. So, required roots are, required roots are take any b equal to 3 or minus 3, no problem. A minus b, a plus d. Take a value 3 by 2. B value 3. A value 3 by 2. Here 3 by 2 plus 3. Here how much will come? Minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 9 by 2. These are our required roots. Understand? Minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 9 by 2. By putting d equal to minus 3 also, we can get the same answer. Understand? We should do one more problem. Okay? The same model problem is we should do as like this. Next question. Solve the equation. Solve the equation 4x cube problem. Solve the equation 4x cube minus 24x square, okay, plus 23x plus 18 equal to 0. Given that the roots of this equation are in arithmetic progression, given that the roots of this equation are in arithmetic progression. Understand? We can do like this. Okay? Now, solution. Okay. What is given equation here? Given equation is 4x cube minus 24x square plus 23x plus 18 equals 0. Dividing by 4. Dividing by 4. What will come? X cube minus 6x square plus 23 by 4x. Here 18 by 4. 9 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now this is comparing with x cube plus p1x square plus p2x plus p3 equal to 0. Understand? Okay. Now this can be taken as like this. What is p1 value? Minus 6. p2 value 23 by 4. Okay. Next p3 value 9 by 2. Since roots are maybe, since roots of given equation are in a b, let it be, okay, a minus b comma a plus b. Now take the conditions. S1 equal to minus P1. What is S1? Sum of the roots. Understand? A minus B plus A plus B equal to minus P1 minus of minus 6. D and D get cancelled. 3a equal to plus 6 equal to 2. So a equal to how much? 2. Okay. Now again, product of the roots. S3 equal to minus P3. Product of the roots. A minus B into A into A plus B equal to minus P3 minus 9 by 2. What will come here? Okay, will come as like this. Okay, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square into A equal to minus 9 by 2. What is A value? 2 put here. 4 minus D square. Okay. Into 2 equal to minus 9 by 2. 4 minus D square equal to minus 9 by 4. 4 plus 9 by 4 equal to D square. this is how much will come? 25 by 4. D equal to plus or minus root 25 by 4. What will come here? Plus or minus 5 by 2. Understand? Now we are going to take the roots, required roots. Then required roots are a minus b, a plus b. A how much? 2. D, let D equal to 5 by 2. A2 plus B 5 by 2. What will come here? Minus 1 by 2, comma 2 plus 9 by 2. Okay, these are our required roots. Remaining we should be in the next class.